So this is my harvest for today. Um, it's supposed to rain later, but I'm not sure if I am going to go back out today because I weed eat to keep some of the mosquitoes down. And they said it's not supposed to rain, but it will because it rained all day or all night last night. It just rained real hard, and I was like wondering what in the world is going on. And we need the rain for the plants. Don't get me wrong, I love it when it rains. But my plant is looking a little sick, and my peppers are looking a little sick, and some of my peppers were on the ground, so I just have to take that in consideration. And that's why I like to go out and check them every day. So, yeah, I just thought to share this with you. This is my harvest. I hope you guys are having a great day today. Shalom and happy gardening.